Let's make very easy jingle bells. Let's start. Cut circle on glitter paper. Cut the circle half. Make bell like this. Fold the paper like this. Stick it. Turn on 2 pieces. Remove the inner paper. Take a red glitter paper. Rub on the bell. Same on 2 pieces. Stick paper in bell. Take a tissue paper and make balls. Ball is wrapped with the glitter paper. Ball stick on the bell. Take a green glitter paper, fold and draw leaves. Cut leaves. Take the sticking side of glitter paper. Stick all. Take a square glitter paper. Fold corner to corner. Draw lines like this. Cut it. Don't cut center part. Then fold corner to middle. Draw like this and cut it. Fold like this. Ribbon is ready. Stick ribbon to the bell. Stick a hanging. Our jingle bell is ready. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.